Yo, what up, people? What's good? Your boy Habib out here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch SE 44, I think 44 millimeters, right? Yeah, I just got this yesterday. Yeah, let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna just throw this away on my bed. All right, let's go. Oof. I don't know what they got going. I don't know why they have two things in here, but I think this is just for the bands. And let's see what it says. Sport band, graphic stainless steel pin, bracelet spots. Oh, that's other language. But yeah, let's see what we got in there. I think that's how you do it. I don't know, bro. How do you open this? Oh, right there. Boom. Woof. It's looking clean. It's coming out good. It's coming out good. It's coming out good. We're still coming back for the actual system, the Apple Watch SE 44 millimeters, I believe. So let's see the band. So since this is this long, I'm guessing they're gonna have another band in there. I just hope so. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this to the side and let's check out the real Apple Watch. All right, let's see. Open up the other one right there. Hopefully I'm picking this up. Here's the moment. Bro, come out, bro. Damn, boy, looking clean. Oh my god, bro. Hope you guys could see that. It's right there. Damn, boy. Yo. See, I actually got this Apple Watch just because like I feel like I kind of made my research on like the Series 8 and I was like I don't really need all that extra stuff. I just need it for like workout, tracking my sleep, healthy stuff, not really like a death situation. So I feel like the Apple Watch SE is a very, very great investment if you guys want to get it. I'm going to do a day in the live video for this to see how it works out throughout the day, working out, running, going to school, Apple Pay, all that good stuff. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Before I open this, I actually want to see what's on this side of the box. Oof. And they got the cable right here. If you guys could see that, it's like super clean, boy. Now's the moment. I'm not even gonna turn it on. I just want to see how it feels on my hand. Oof. And there you have it. Why is this not coming on? Okay, so 1, 2. Let it go. Boom. Bro, tell me what you guys think, bro. This looks so sick. All right, let's turn it on. This looks so sick, bro. I don't know. Can you guys see it? Now I gotta set this up with my iPhone, which I'm gonna have to like stop this and just film on this one. So let's get into that real quick. All right. So like I said, I have to set it up. So this is my iPhone 14 Pro. Looking clean, boy. And hey, man, bro, I'm not even gonna. Let me just show you guys some. Look, custom icons, bro. Custom icons, bro. Look at that, bro. Looking clean, boy. Custom icons. Hey, I'm gonna make a different video of what's on my iPhone and then show you guys how you could get this done for free on your iPhone. That's a story for another video. So let's just set this up with the iPhone. Set up for myself. Okay, wants me. Boom. Oof. Look at that. Alrighty. Set this up as a new watch. Agree to that. So that's probably gonna take hella time to do. I don't know how much time I have, but yeah. So I'll see you guys when this sets up. All right, so now that we're done with the setup, I'm going to talk about some amazing things you get on the Apple Watch SE compared to the Apple Watch Series 8. Also like some other amazing features that you get about this cool wristwatch right here. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the screen size. It comes in 44 millimeters compared to the Apple Watch Series 8, which comes in 45 millimeters, and you just get the difference of 1 millimeters. I think I'll just go for the SE. And Both of them have the Retina display. The only difference is that the Apple Watch Series 8 comes with always on display feature, and this one doesn't come with the always on display feature. And I don't think that's too much of a big deal, except you want to spend an extra $150 for a Series 8. So I think I'll just pass on that one. Other cool things that comes with this one is water resistant. They both have the same water resistance. They could both go down 50 meters deep in the water. So basically the same thing. Other features that you get on this one is the high heart rate and the low heart rate. It notifies you when your heart rate is like too high or too low, which is actually cool for your health and stuff. Another thing that you get is the cardio fitness notification. So if you basically just doing something active out of the blue, like say you're not really working out, but you're just doing something, it notifies you and be like, hey bro, like I think you're doing something. Should I record this or not? And which is actually cool. And they both also have the same battery life. Like they both last up to 18 hours of battery life. And by the way, I actually started this video about 2 weeks ago. So I've been using this watch for about 2 weeks now, which is actually cool. According to the Apple website, the Series 8 has a faster charging. So I think it goes from 0 to 80 in like 30 minutes, or I don't know, something like that. But to be honest, bro, I really only charge this like towards nighttime because I sleep with this and track my sleep. So which brings me to the next thing. But yeah, I only charge it like for about an hour, and based on my experience, an hour like I get like fully charged, and then I sleep with it, use it for like another 2 days or something like that, and then still goes fine. Yeah, you get the sleep tracking, and from my experience at least, the sleep tracking on this one actually helps you with like knowing, let's say you sleep for 8 hours, right? It lets you know like in between your 8 hours, like were there times where you weren't really asleep, maybe you are awake but you think you're sleeping, like, you know, some crazy stuff could happen while you're sleeping. Yeah, other cool features which are actually new to the Apple Watch Series 8 and I think the iPhone 14 Pro as well, like anything that came between last year September and right now, is the crash detection and the fall detection. So God forbid I'm not gonna be the one who's gonna try this. Probably Mr. Beast or someone crazy is gonna try this. But yeah, if you're in a car crash by accident, or maybe you just fall down from somewhere crazy, the watch actually detects it and might end up calling the ambulance for you. I don't know how that works, but I think it's actually cool. Another cool feature about this is the international emergency, I think. Say, for example, you're somewhere in between the desert and you can't just find your way and something like that, God forbid, your watch got your back. So those are some cool features. And all this come in both the Apple Watch Series 8 and the Apple Watch SE. Some things that you're going to be missing out on the Apple Watch SE are things like I said, the always on display, you don't get that feature, the 1 millimeter difference, and also the way this is just 44 millimeters, right? It still doesn't take the full length of the entire screen compared to the Apple Watch Series 8. So the Series 8, if you guys want to look it up, it takes like the entire screen. I think it also like takes a curve as well. Another thing I also know about the Apple Watch Series 8 is it comes with like an actual keyboard where you could type, and it's still small. No one uses it, you know what I'm saying? Like say you want a text message or something like that, yeah, it comes with an actual keyboard compared to this one where you have to like write it with your hand, like each letter is something like that. I don't think that's too much of a big deal. The other things that you don't get on the Apple Watch SE are the blood oxygen app. You don't get that on the Apple Watch SE. I really don't know what you would need that for. I mean, I kind of do, but like, aren't those the kind of things where you go to the doctor for or something like that? I don't know. But yeah, I feel like if you just need your watch for like workout, tracking your sleep, checking your exercise, or just syncing with your other Apple devices and stuff like that, I feel like this is a go-to. I'm not even gonna lie. Now I'm gonna talk about like my user experience with this. First of all, like I compared the screen, right? The screen is kind of small compared to the Apple Watch Series 8. This is big, bro. Like you could literally see everything, all your messages, emails, all that cool stuff on this one. The other cool thing I find about this is the Apple Watch Phase, the amazing Phase. It comes with like a bunch of phase. You could customize them. You could do a bunch of cool stuff with them. You could choose anyone. See, bro, every day I use like different ones depending on what kind of outfit I wear. And the one I'm rocking right now is this Nike one right here. I mean, like I just set the time. I want to know my fitness, and I'm someone who likes to know about the weather outside before I leave the house. So this one's right there. Another thing that I actually found out is you could actually change the language. So I got this one in Arabic numbers. I got this one in Arabic numbers, and it looks so cool and slick and like, and you could also change like the colors. Let me mess around with this color right here. So say you want to change the color for this one, right? Edit, change the color from black. You could also change like the theme and stuff like that. Those are the cool things you get on the Apple Watch SE, man. Like, great investment. I got this for $279, I believe, and the Apple Watch Series 8 starts from 350 or something like that. So I think 379. You are having like $150 difference. And this comes in the GPS and the cellular version as well. So that's it. That's what you get for the Apple Watch SE. So let me know, guys, what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you guys going to cop one of these? If you're going to cop it, tell me what your favorite smartwatch is. And also, I'm going to be doing a day in a live video with the Apple Watch SE, showing you guys how I use it, all that cool stuff. So let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, peace out.